G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the show. If this is your first time here, I'm Chef Blake, and today we're going to cook penne pasta with Romesco sauce and salami. What you're going to need for today's recipe is some broccolini, mushrooms, hot sopressa salami, some spinach, and an onion. Not much to prepare for today's dish, just need to get some of these veggies ready. First of all, we're just going to need to pick all of the leaves off of our broccolini. Alright, now that we've done that, all we need to do is cut about 2 centimeters off the bottom of the broccolini, and then I'm going to cut it in half. Alright, next step, I just need to peel this onion. And then I'm just going to slice it nice and thin. Now last step is just to cut these cup mushrooms into quarters. Alright, now that we've got that done, let's just head over to the stoves. So the first thing we need to do is just drop our pasta in. Just got some boiling salted water here. Just going to put that in for the recommended cooking time, which is about 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, just got a nice hot pan here. Just some olive oil. Go straight in with your onions. Alright, once we've done that, just going to add the mushrooms. Only thing is, like, this pan is like pretty decent, but it's not enough for 4 people worth of pasta. So I'm hoping I'll be able to make the sauce in this one, and then once the pasta's ready, I'll just dump it out and then put the pasta and the sauce in the pot. Add your broccolini. Just going to cook the salami in our pasta pot. Alright, now that the salami has been roasted off, I'm just going to go in with all of that beautiful Romesco. Just go in with a little bit of water as well. Alright, now that all this is cooked, just going to put it straight in there. And just your pasta in. And just mix it all through. Alright guys, now that we've got all that done, we just need to finish off. And just some parmesan cheese. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Pasta a la Romesco and salami. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure you like and subscribe. And also check out my Instagram account for behind the scenes footage. If you would like to make today's dish at home, I will be posting the recipe in the video description, so check it out down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.